Hey, just finished up reading up on the forums and looking at the Facebook page and getting ready to read a little bit about power injection. Which reminds me, it can be overwhelming at first when starting out in this hobby. Where do I start? What do I buy? Where can I get help? In today's episode, I'll share my sources of information that help you get educated. So let's get started. Hello, my name is Robert Donlin, and welcome to the YouTube channel Lights by the Sea. If you're interested in Christmas lights, you've probably seen the Great Christmas Light Fight on ABC. Back in 2014, I saw an episode where Matt Johnson used RGB lights to a dubstep song, and I was hooked. I looked it up on YouTube, and to my delight, Matt actually had some how-to videos, which brings me to resource number one, YouTube. Matt's YouTube channel, Living Light Shows, has become a successful business, and they do not have any recent how-to videos, but Matt's classic arch, prop building, and behind-the-scenes videos pioneered the way for others to share on YouTube. Can a Spader Christmas has been one of my favorite channels to learn about the hobby. Jeff Lacey includes some nice comic skits, experiments, as well as product reviews and learning content. Lately, he has found a new hobby, but I'm sure we'll continue to get good pixel information from Jeff in the future. X-Lights YouTube is a valuable channel to subscribe to because they run a series called X Essentials. Although you will only get content monthly, the team records a Zoom session, which we'll talk a little bit about later, of a monthly topic. As one of the X-Lights developers, Keith has been instrumental in improving the social media coverage for X-Lights. Although this is not a typical YouTube channel with consistent content, Keith does provide X-Light revision information and beginner videos. There are a few other channels I look into for sequencing, such as Pixel Pro Displays and Extreme Sequencing. However, my favorite pastime has been to watch behind-the-scenes YouTube videos to get ideas on props, light show networks, hardware, and mounting. And that brings us to the do-it-yourself Christmas hobby resource number 2, hobby forums. I have 4 forum favorites that I visit regularly: doityourselfchristmas.com, falconchristmas.com, ozlightingchristmas.com, and the X-Lights forum. There are a few others, but I don't browse them often. Some quick tips and tricks for the Do-It-Yourself Christmas forum. In the header menu, you can select New Posts. It will show you posts that you have not read yet, as well as older posts in chronological order. Another great feature of the Do-It-Yourself Christmas forum is the Wiki. Wiki is a mini Wikipedia for Christmas lighting. They have categories ranging from beginner to advanced. If you are new to the hobby, I would recommend reading the Newbie Guide to Do-It-Yourself Christmas. The Falcon Christmas Forum is brought to you by the maker of Falcon controllers. The forum has a strong focus on the Falcon controllers, Falcon Pi Player, and development. However, there are general hobby topics that stay pretty active. To see new posts, select the Recent Post button, and you will see a chronological list of newest posts first. The Oz Christmas Lighting Forum mainly supports the Australian lighting community and is not as active as some of the other forums. However, there are some great topics and experienced hobbyists to answer any questions that you have. The X-Lights forum is brought to you by the developers of X-Lights. The forum is of course heavily focused on the X-Lights software. Just like the Falcon Christmas forum, general hobby topics are covered, but not as regularly. I don't really see as much activity in this forum as I do the others. Now on to the Do-It-Yourself Christmas resource number 3, Facebook. Currently, I'm a member of 4 hobby groups. It's probably as much information as I can take in one sitting. However, there are other interesting groups such as the 3D printing group, Holiday Singing Faces group, that you can just search out in Facebook. The nice thing about Facebook groups is that you get almost instantaneous answers, as well as a lot of opinions. There are a few nice features in Facebook that will help make your research easier. Each group you are subscribed to will show a count of the number of new posts in that group. A nice feature to see when new comments have been added to that group. You can also search groups. This helps a lot when looking for a specific answer. For example, power injection. This topic comes up daily, or maybe it's hourly. Anyway, you can search the group and see all posts related to power injection. Once in a while, members of the group will post helpful files. You can browse to the Files section of Facebook to see if anything will help you out. A new addition to the official X-Lights support group is the mentorship area. Basically, you can offer support to become a mentor, or get support to request a mentor. You can also browse current mentors or apprentices and select one that fits you. Now on to resources 4 and 5, the Oz Christmas Lighting Manual 101 and the Zoom meeting. These two resources represent two ends of the support spectrum. The Lighting Manual is a great resource for just about everything lighting related, but you do it alone. The Zoom meeting is a great tool for instant feedback and collaboration. The Zoom meeting is basically like a Skype or GoToMeeting lobby that is always open to hobbyists. Usually someone knowledgeable in the hobby is hanging out and waiting to answer questions. Well, that's my list of resources. I'll make sure to put links in the description below. I'd like to know if you have any resources I missed or that are your favorites. Please leave a comment below and tell me about some of the favorite places you like to go. If you like this video, please like it, and even better, share it to Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media outlet that you frequent. Also, please sign up in the forums or the Facebook pages. Maybe we can chat more later. Once again, I'm Robert Donlin, and this is Lights by the Sea. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. So let's get started.